Hello, I'm Alex Hargett and welcome to my video on referential constraints. To demonstrate this, we're going to be creating two tables, which will be modeling games in the consoles that they belong to. Starting with our consoles table, we're going to make our console a primary key, and we're going to set it to an int. Do not allow nulls. And we want the computer to generate its own values, so we're going to go down here and set this to yes. Next, we're going to create the natural key for this table, which will be the console names. We're going to set this, we're going to go ahead and up this to 20, so we have some room to breathe. That won't be null. And to make this the primary key, we're going to want to right click and click set primary key. And right here, to make this a natural key, we're going to go to right click and go to indexes and keys, click add, and then we're going to find that column that we want to change, and it's going to be there. And we're going to make it unique, so it's always associated with this key. And we're going to back out of here, and we're done with this table for now, so we're going to go ahead and save it. Name it T console, or whatever naming works for you. Click OK. And now we're going to create our new table. This table will be modeling games, so we're going to go ahead and name the primary key games ID. It will be an int. It will not allow nulls. And again, we want the computer to generate the IDs for this. So we're going to go down here, click yes again, and now we're ready to make our natural key, which will be game. We're going to set it to 20, so we have some room, and that won't be null. Right click this, so we can set it to a primary key, and right click here to make the other our natural key. So we're going to select that, okay, make it unique, and close. And now this is where we're going to be joining the two tables through a relationship. So to make it we're going to bring the primary key over there into a foreign key here. So we're going to bring console ID over. It's still an int, so we're going to keep that there. We're not going to allow nulls. And to make this our foreign key, we're going to right click relationships, click add, and we're going to come here and we're going to specify where the primary key is coming from and where it's going to go. So it's coming from our T console table, and it's console ID, and it's coming to this table. This will change after we name the table, and it's going to be placed in this value right here. And then we're going to go ahead and close this, and we're ready to save. So I'm going to name this T game, and click OK. This is what's going to change the relationship names. And now we're ready to input our values after we refresh to find the tables. So we're going to open both so we can edit the values. And to demonstrate the constraint, we're going to first try to add a game called Sly Cooper. And you'll notice that when we try to press enter, it won't let me create a new record because this is null and it doesn't know what it's referencing because there's nothing going on here. So we can try to make that 1 to see if that does anything. And again, it's going to give us an error because there is no console ID 1. So to change that, we're going to go ahead and make a console. We can name it PlayStation, or we can spell it terribly wrong. And there we go, we got a new key, or a new record. And now it'll let us create one. And then you'll see here again, we got a new game, and we can't make a game with a second console ID because that again does not exist. And we can either add a new key here, which we'll do, which will be our second console ID, and now this will work. And that's how referential constraints work. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.